National Security Advisor (NSA) Ribadu has vowed that all those responsible for the recent attacks in Plateau State will be apprehended and made to face justice in accordance with the law. The NSA, who submitted that it was time to bring the clashes and killings to an end, declared that enough is enough on such attacks. NaijaNews reports that Ribadu made the submission on Sunday while speaking to journalists at the headquarters of Operation Safe Haven in Jos, the Plateau State capital, emphasizing the urgent need for action to restore peace and stability to the affected communities, while lamenting the loss of lives, including the displacement of numerous women and children as a result of the renewed attacks in some communities in Plateau State. Ribadu stressed the need to curb all provocations that could eventually lead to a full-blown crisis. "We must not allow little things to spark events that spiral out of control," he said. Ribadu expressed regret over the resurgence of village attacks and promised the support of the federal government in curbing the trend of violence. The NSA also revealed that the country and security forces are recording significant progress in the fight against terrorists and criminals, noting that the incidence of violence and fatalities have been reduced by over 90% across the country. He also disclosed that nearly 2,000 terrorists have been disputed nationwide within the past year. We'll continue to supply you more trendy news updates and exclusive videos. Keep watching NaijaNews TV.